Hello, my name is Bruce Doherty. I am a student, as most of you may know, at Ames Community College. And during this time, I have had the opportunity to take several classes, one of which is Math 060. As some of you may agree, math is one of those things that just blows smoke right out your ears. But fortunately, I have figured out a way to make math not seem such a rainy and dreary day. In fact, I have found a way to have the good side and the bad side work together in a real-life application. As I discuss this real-life application with you, you might come to agree with me as well that this is a very good, helpful, beneficial real-life experience that many could be learning from as they watch the presentation that I have here. In fact, some might like it so much that they might even consider it to be illegal in most states. So before you go and grab another Heineken, let's move forward with this real-life math application, shall we? I call this basic algebraic math. Story problem, proportions and percents. So let's move forward with this real-life math application that I have found most helpful in my life. In 1970, Bruce was born with 10 fingers and 10 toes. Find the total body parts. In 2010, this sum was decreased by 5. Figure the decreased percentage rate of the body parts Bruce has left. Also, find the total body parts Bruce has left. So to start this simple but basic story problem math situation, we must first look at the two numbers given to us initially. Here, I have 10 toes and 10 fingers. Gives us a total sum of 20 digits. Moving right along and looking at the numbers that we were just given, we have this. We have a grand total of 20. That is a total of 20 digits altogether. Now the story problem says there was a decrease of 5 in 2010. That means we will subtract 5 from 20, giving us a new total of 15. Now comes the tricky part. We must take those new numbers now and find the percentage rate that Bruce has left. So here we set up the problem like this. N over 100, or percentage rate over 100, because 100 means 100%. And my whole number is 20. I had 20 digits when I was born up to 2010. Then we have our decreased number of 5. 5 over 20. So with basic cross multiplication and a little bit of division, we will go 100 times 5, which gives us 500, and divide that number by 20, we come up with 25%. So n equals 25%. Now comes the part of the math problem where we're really smoking now. In fact, the math problem, if we're done correct, we'll presume that we are on fire at this point. So, looking at the numbers that we were given, we have figured out that Bruce has 25% of the body parts, and the existing body parts, having the 5 decrease, gives Bruce 15 existing body parts, or 15 digits left. I would like to thank you at this time, and for going along with me, because you can see that school is really working out well for me, and with this simple arithmetic, I have been able to figure out my future. So with all that being said, I'd just like to thank you so much for being a part of this and for watching today, and I hope in some way that I have influenced and helped you in your mathematical algebraic form decisions. Thank you. What is that? Get out. Get out of here.